Exercise 6.2, question number first. In the given figure 1 and 2, D is parallel to BC, find EC in question number first. First part given ABC triangle E 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter and DB is equal to 3 centimeter. AE is equal to 1 centimeter and EC we want to find by basic proportionality theorem. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. ADB have 1.5 divided by DB is 3, A is 1 and EC (15 upon 30). 1.5 can be write 15 upon 10. 10 3s are 30 is equal to 1 upon EC, and EC multiplied by left side and 30 multiplied by right side divided by 15. We get EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Answer. In triangle ABC, AD is 1.5 centimeter and DB is 3 centimeter. EC we want to find, AE is 1 centimeter. By basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AB is here 1.5 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon EC. EC multiply by left side and 30 multiply by right side and 15 multiply by EC but divides right side. 30 upon 15 we get 15 2 jar 30. EC is equal to 2 centimeter. Answer. And second part is ABC 5.4 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. AD, we want to find DB is equal to 7.2 centimeter. AE is equal to 1.8 centimeter. EC is equal to 5.4 centimeter. By BPT, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AD upon DB is 7.2 is equal to A is 1.8 divided by EC is 5.4. AD is equal to 18 upon 54 multiply by 7.2 multiply by right side, that is 72 upon 10, and point this is cancel, we get 18 3s are 54 and 24 3s are 72. This implies AD is equal to 24 upon 10. AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Answer. In triangle, second part, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Given triangle DE is parallel to BC and AD we want to find, DB is 7.2 centimeter and AE is 1.8 centimeter and EC is 5.4 centimeter. By basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AD upon 7.2 is equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4. 7.2 multiplied by right side, 7.2 can we write it as 72 upon 10 and 18 upon 54. Point is cancel. 18 3s are 54 and 74 divides 3. 3 1s are 3. 24 3s are 72. AD is equal to 24 upon 10. Then we get the value of AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Answer. Question number 3rd. Given A, B, C, D, N, L, M. In given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. We want to prove that AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Given LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC by basic proportionality theorem. And LN is parallel to CD in triangle ADC AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC by basic proportionality theorem. It's equation number first and it's equation number second. From equation first and second we get AL upon AC is equal to AM upon AB. AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Hence proved. In triangle ABC, LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC by basic proportionality theorem. And LN is parallel to CD. It's given LN is parallel to CD. Then in triangle ADC, AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. AL upon AC, that is this, AM upon AB. AL upon AC, that is AN upon AD. From equation first and second, we get AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD. Hence proved. Question number 4. E, C, A, D. A, B, C, D, E, F. In the given figure, D is parallel to AC. Given DE is parallel to AC. D is parallel to AC and DF in triangle ABC. D is parallel to AC. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to AC, it's given. ABC, BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. It's equation number first by BPT, and DF is parallel to AE in triangle ABE. BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. It's equation number 2 by BPT. From first and second equation, we get BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Hence proved. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to AC. D is parallel to AC. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to AC. Then BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC by basic proportionality theorem. Equation first. And similarly, given DF is parallel to AE, DF is parallel to AE, then in triangle ABE, BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE. It's equation number 2 by basic proportionality theorem BPT. From equation first and second, BD upon DA is this and BD upon DA is BF upon FE. From equation first and second, first equal to second, we get BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Hence proved. Question number 5. In the given figure, D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR, such that EF is parallel to QR. PQR. EF D. Given D is parallel to OQ, D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. To prove EF is parallel to QR, in triangle POQ, D is parallel to OQ, DE is parallel to OQ, then PD upon DO is equal to PE upon EQ. It's equation number first by BPT. And in triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR and PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. It's equation number second by BPT. From first and second equation, from first and second we get PD upon DO is PF upon FR. PD upon DO is also PE upon EQ. Then PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. So converse of BPT. Converse of BPT EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved. Given D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR, and we want to show EF is parallel to QR in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, OPOQ and triangle POR. First of all, we are taking triangle POQ. When DE is parallel to OQ, by BPT, PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. PD upon DO equal to PE upon EQ. It's equation number first by basic proportionality theorem BPT. And similarly in another triangle POR, when DF is parallel to OR, given PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. It's equation number second by basic proportionality theorem BPT. From equation first and second we get PD upon DO is PE upon EQ and PD upon DO is also PF upon FR. Then we get first equation is equal to second, first equal to second, PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. We get by converse of BPT, converse of basic proportionality theorem, EF is parallel to QR, hence proved. Question number 6. In the given figure, A, B, C are points on OP, OQ, OR respectively such that AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Similar question number 5th. P, Q, R, A, B, C, and O. Given AB is parallel to PQ, AB parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. and AC is parallel to PR. It's given. In triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ, OP upon PA is equal to OQ upon QB. It's equation number first by BPT. And in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. It's given. AC is parallel to PR. So OP upon PA is equal to OR upon RC. Second equation by BPT. From first and second, we get OQ upon QB is equal to OR upon RC. Converse of BPT, BC is parallel to QR. Converse of BPT, BC is parallel to QR. We have given AB is parallel to BC and AC is parallel to PR. In triangle PQR, it's given. And in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ, OP upon PA is equal to OQ upon QB. It's equation first by BPT. Similarly, another triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, AC is parallel to PR, then OP upon PA is equal to OR upon RC, equation second by BPT. From first and second equation, we get OQ upon QB is equal to OR upon RC, OP upon PA, that is same OP upon PA, we get first equation equal to second, and OQ upon QB equal to OR upon RC. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, we get BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR, hence proved. Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at point O. Show that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. A, B, C, D. Intersect at O, and this is E. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. In which AB is parallel to DC. To prove AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Construction. EO is parallel to DC. Join EO and EO is parallel to DC. Proof. In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC. It's given. So in triangle ABD, AE upon ED is equal to BO upon DO by BPT. Its equation first by BPT. And in another triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC. It's given. We get AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO. Equation second. From first and second, we get BO upon DO is equal to AO upon CO. BO upon DO is equal to AO upon CO, or AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Hence proved. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, and we want to prove AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. We construction. Join EO and EO is parallel to DC. AB is also parallel to DC. EO is also parallel to DC. Proof. In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to DC and AB is parallel to DC. It's given by BPT. AE upon ED is equal to BO upon DO. It's equation number first by basic BPT. And in another triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. ADC, in triangle ADC, AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO. It's equation number second by BPT. By BPT, basic proportionality theorem. From equation first and second we get BO upon DO is equal to AO upon CO. AO, and this can be write it as AO upon BO and CO upon DO. AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO, hence proved. Question number 10. In the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO, show that ABCD is a trapezium. A, B, C, D. O, that is E. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral whose diagonals meets at O. BD and AC. Diagonal BD and diagonal AC meet at O. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. To prove ABCD is a trapezium. Construction: EO is parallel to DC. Proof: in triangle ABC, EO is parallel to DC. AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC by BPT. AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC. Its equation first by BPT. AO upon OC is equal to BO upon DO given. Its equation second. From first and second equation we get AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC. BO upon DO is equal to BE upon EC by converse of BPT. OE is parallel to DC and DC is parallel to AB. So ABCD is a trapezium. OE is parallel to AB and O is parallel to DC. This implies AB is parallel to DC. Hence ABCD is a trapezium. Hence proved. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which whose diagonal meets at point O, BD and AC, and given AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO, it's given. And we want to prove ABCD is a trapezium. Construction: EO is parallel to DC, and in triangle, proof in triangle ABC, EO is parallel to DC, AO upon OC is equal to BE upon EC by BPT, and AO upon OC is equal to BO upon DO. AO upon OC is equal to BO upon DO, it's given. It's equation number second. Or AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. CO, BO. AO upon BO equal to CO upon DO. Can we write it as AO upon CO equal to BO upon DO? Then it's equation number second. It's given, and from equation first and second we get BO upon DO. BO upon DO is equal to BE upon EC, and O is parallel to DC, O is parallel to AB, and is parallel to DC. OE is parallel to DC. This implies AB is parallel to DC and ABCD is a trapezium. Hence proved. Thank you so much.